Fish and chips. So, what we are having tonight. Ay, excuse me. So, for our dinner, we just ordered calamares, Kamayan Wonder, and then yours is what? Banana and apple slush or milkshake. Yeah.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Mariana's Trench. So we're gonna visit there. Ay! Na? Bawal flash yun. Uy, wow! Wow! Uy, don't touch the glass, babe.
Hindi, tap lang. Don't tap. Turn off flash.
Picturein kita.
Ang gulat. Parang anything.
Uy, babe, shark! Shark! Shark!
Oh my God, shark. Babe, first time ko makakita ng shark.
Tignan nyo mo. Ayun.
Shark.
Ano sis? Ay, shark yun. The sharks.
Buti hindi nila kinakain yan.
Ayun, shark.
Other fish.
Starfish. Susu, oh. Susu.
Ganyan.
Lobster. Kapag buhay pa.
Pakapansin yung ano, shark. May nakakatawa.
Makiabiyakapin ka rin mo kalinya. Itadakimasu. Pakpapa.
Wala lang budget. Never Sarky.
Nanang where's Sarky? Nanang where's... Nakshuta ka? Paano na kang magwalang kahay? Susi? Kung sa Mount Malaray at mga bibe dito po sa Kamayan, may monkeys. Ay, parang siyang buntis, no? Look at them. Ay, kadagol na nita. Watas na kadagol tang may itong itong mumukyat. So huge. Buff yun eh, sis. Gym rat. Ay, kakita ito malati. Dami. Ay, ay. Where are the monkeys? This, no. Ayun no, may monkey doon. Very na naka. Monkey number 1. Monkey number 2. Ayun talo. Number 3. Hey sis, mamarong galarang machin. Ayan, bakit siya natatawa? Kasi utot siya ng utot. Putang ina. Utot ng utot. Kamayan Beach Resort. Ay, marunlan eh. Nanokrakuldan eh. Sis, nananakan yun. Happy Valentine's. Nako. Let's look at the moon. It's so nice. Uy, shit, ang ganda ng moon. What are this? I got myself a mocha slush. Yours is?
Oreo Madness. I'm mad.
For sure. Let me talk X. Happy Valentine's! My date for this whole week. Ew! Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Kain po tayo. Kasama po natin ang magandang buhay sister natin. Wow. Cute.
Right here in the Philippines, big worms can only be found. Can you guess what? Somewhere in the song starts with the letter P. Here's one island.
Palawan.
Palawan.
Wow. Wow!
Goodbye, everyone!
Bye! Kain po tayo! This is rice ball. What's yours? Bagnet.
There you go, everybody. Now, clap your hands. See, I told you she wanted the fish unless I clap.
Wow!
Are you ready now? Move closer to mother chick and hold it.
Ma'am!
Biggest eagles, standing 3 feet or about a meter tall. The only bird of prey, blue-gray Airs noblest flyer, king of birds, Haring Ibon or Harimon.
Dolphin!
Where are you going for?
Now they do the most. Yeah, buddy, they can walk a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Let's give them a big...
Then look at the camera po, sir. Tingin po sa camera. Yan, ganyan po. Got it po. Look at the camera po, sir. Ah. Yeah. Got it. Okay.
나는 팀원들에게 괜찮아. 언니는 최고야. 그런 말.
Parang since yung sa ano. Parang yun since sa... Mas malaki pa yung CR sa mga room. Alam mo accommodating. Apo. Maliligo. Ay, car. Car lang. Sila ate mo.
Ano, paano sila ate ko? Mm. Ganda rito, guys. This is Adventure Cove. Vlog.